Okay, so today is the day that I'm going to be putting the gearbox and everything else onto the K24. I've got to assemble the flywheel, clutch, and all of those bolts. I also got a filing sander to cut off the engine mount on the driver's side of the car. The tricky part is going to be getting the gearbox to line up on the ground. With any luck today, I will try and get the motor in as well. But the goal is just to get the gearbox onto the motor and get the engine mounts mocked up in the engine bay, and then we'll take it from there.
Man's now just deciding on new rings.
Well, I said the other day that this project got held back. So yeah, we couldn't get the gearbox and everything on for a little while because we were getting held up by the spigot bearing because I forgot to buy a spigot bearing, and it was a part that was literally the size of a ring, and it was quite literally the same size as the ring I have on my finger.
Despite all the chaos today, the K24 is about to get dropped in.
Ushanka Boy.
Boys! It's in.
That's not, it's only in until the crane's gone.
Yeah, take the crane off it.
Okay, let's move the crane.
What about that?
It's close enough!
Do you want to get in front of this camera?
It's in! It's actually in.
So now the hard part begins. The wiring.
Well, you got a freaking harness. 95%
Yeah, but there's
done.
still some custom wiring to be done that I have no idea how to.
Oh shit, no.
Yeah, boy!
We can get some.
No. That doesn't fit, bro.
Nah, you just gotta close.
No, just got to close properly.
Oh,